Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for Friday, April the 1st, the monthly unemployment data day. But first, yesterday, markets backed off a little bit, traded sideways, closing lower at the end of the session, down about 0.2% across the board. E-mini S&P gave up some gains, closing down 4 at 2051. Dow futures down 30, 17,595, and the Nasdaq 4476 level, but all of these are still significantly higher than last Thursday's close. Obviously, there was a holiday last Friday. The dollar index continued to slide down 37 at 94.58, pressing on that October low support. Euro currency above 114, 114.12 up 49. Treasuries were quiet ahead to today's number, down 3 ticks at 164.14, but firming up from last week's lows around 161.5. Crude oil was moving around, did get as high as 39, as low as 37.50. 38's an important level. Yesterday she closed at 38.35. And lastly was gold, unchanged on the session. Even though the dollar's been coming down, it hasn't helped boost gold up to those recent highs. It closing at 12.36. So, Friday morning, after the unemployment data, which came out with stronger jobs growth, 215 versus 205, 205,000 was expected, the stock market is down 14 points in the E-mini S&P, some profit taking here at 2037. We were up 25 points on a weekly basis coming into today, so still positive. Dow futures down 103, 17,402, and the Nasdaq off 37 at 44.44. The dollar steady right now at 94.62, up 4 ticks. The euro currency is also up as well, up 14 at 114.26, holding strong above 114. Treasuries are seeing a bit of a boost, up 16 ticks at 164.29. That's given yields a downside push, 2.60 in the 30-year and 1.77 in the 10-year note. Crude oil is on the move to the downside, been trading between 42 and 38 for more than 3 weeks, breaking down below 38, trading at 37 right now, down $1.30. Somewhat concerning for crude bulls because the dollar's been coming down and crude hasn't made another push back above 40. And lastly, on the downside, gold down $16 at 12.20. So to wrap up this current action with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open because of the jobs numbers, right now the S&P is down 14, Dow futures down 100, and the Nasdaq down 37. I will see you early Monday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.